In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Telegram. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign into your Telegram account. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the conversation that you have with that someone that you want to block on Telegram, and go ahead and click on the name or the number of that someone that you want to block on Telegram to be able to view their profile on Telegram. And here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen, and under this three horizontal line, you'll be able to find the block user button. So go ahead and click on the block user button to be able to block this user on Telegram. You can also use the same steps if you want to block someone on a Telegram channel. Just go ahead and look for that someone's name on the members section and click on their name, and go ahead and select the block user option at the top right corner of their screen. And that's how you can simply block someone on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.